Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HAProxy on VPS for load balancing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS through SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt with the SSH command. Enter your VPS IP address and the username. Once connected, update your package repository. Run the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install HAProxy on your VPS. Execute the command sudo apt-get install HAProxy. After installation, open the HAProxy configuration file. Use a text editor like Nano or Vim with the command sudo nano/etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. Locate the default configuration section for front-end settings. Modify it to specify the IP address and port HAProxy will listen on. Typically, you want to bind it to 0.0.0.0 for all interfaces on port 80. Scroll down to the backend section to define your servers. Add the servers you wish to load balance, using their IP addresses and ports. Ensure to set the appropriate load balancing algorithm. Save your changes and exit the text editor. Next, enable HAProxy to start on boot. Run the command sudo systemctl enable HAProxy. Now, start the HAProxy service using sudo systemctl start HAProxy. Check the status of HAProxy to confirm it's running properly. Use the command sudo systemctl status HAProxy. Look for the active status to ensure everything is functioning. If you encounter any issues, check the logs for errors. Use the command sudo tailf/var/log/haproxy.log. Once confirmed that HAProxy is running, test your load balancing configuration. You can do this by sending requests to your VPS IP address. Verify that traffic is being distributed among the defined servers. For additional checks, consider using tools like curl or browser refresh. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.